Hey, all right, YouTube. It's new release week. A lot of new stuff came out this week, but the box I went with was 2017 Donruss Optic Baseball. I've been a fan of the Optic ever since the football came out last year, so I was pretty excited to see they were doing baseball. I picked up a box. It just released on Wednesday. Got it here today. Let me crack it open, see what we get. Now they do have hot boxes in each case. I think they said there was 2 in each case. So at least it gives you a decent chance of hitting one. There's either 5 autographs or 20 numbered cards in a hot box. So, all right, let me open her up and see what we got. Maybe. There you go. All right. These cards are so good looking. Watched a lot of breaks online the last few days. Cards are just slick. I mean, I like the shiny looking cards. Basic like that. All right, without further ado, let's get going. Pack number 1. And you know the rookies we're looking for. Bellinger, Judge. All right, Chris Davis, Trevor Story Elite Series refractor. And the first auto is going to be Jacoby Jones, rated rookie. I don't think that's numbered. Oh, yeah, it is numbered. Numbered out of 150. Probably never get that to focus, but it's 150, trust me. All right. So we got one hit right out of the gate. And Magner Sierra. Pack number 2. Giancarlo Stanton, Evan Longoria, Addison Russell insert, Ronaldo Lopez. Cargo, Daniel Murphy, Diamond Kings Mark Trumbo, Diamond Kings Freddie Freeman. A lot of inserts, a lot of color in these. Another reason I'm a big fan. Christian Yelich, Stephen Piscotty. Second hit going to be Gavin Cicchini. And we got his rated rookie right next to it. 2 hits right out of the gate. Let's hope it's a hot box and we get a few more. That'd be awesome. Another Evan Longoria, Carlos Correa, Joey Votto Diamond Kings, Anthony Rizzo. Freddie Freeman, Michael Franco, Jordan Montgomery, rated rookie, Christian Yelich. Javier Baez, Chris Sale, looks like blue, that's out of 149. Elite Series. Manuel Margot, no Syndergaard. Nick Markakis, Gregory Polanco. I I just bought both these cards on eBay. Probably should have waited till I got my box, huh? Carlos Correa. Chris Bryant, Carlos Correa Refractor, Alex Reyes, the rookies, and Manuel Margot. Yeah, maybe we just hit both of our autos real early on. Todd Frazier, Kevin Kiermaier, Tyler Naquin. Tyler Naquin's numbered out of 5. 1 of only 5. That's a nice hit. Steven Piscotty, Javier Baez, the Mick, Masters of the Game, the Mick. Say we're about halfway through here. George Springer, Frank Thomas, Reynaldo Lopez rated rookie, and Madison Bumgarner. Matt Carpenter, Trevor Story, Carson Fulmer rated rookie, and Mike Trout Diamond King. Kyle Schwarber, Cargo, Chris Davis Dominator, and Tyler Glasnow rated rookie. So much color in these cards, I don't know which ones are the numbered parallels, which ones aren't. Love them though. Can't imagine I'm not going to buy another box of this. Brad Miller, the Mick, Jonathan Villar, Diamond Kings, and Tulo. Alright, 5 left. Tanaka, Anthony Rizzo, another Tanaka refractor. That's out of 25. Jorge Alfaro. Yadier, Justin Verlander, Lucas Giolito, Corey Kluber. Trey Turner, D. Gordon, Cal Ripken out of 199, Jordan Montgomery.